Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact reason you want the firewall altered. This matters because disabling it broadly increases exposure. Once done, make sure you have administrator rights and check corporate policy. Don't act alone on managed machines. Also create a system restore point and export current firewall settings so you can reverse changes. This protects you if something goes wrong. These steps set a safe foundation and reduce risk, while you explore controlled changes instead of an outright shutdown. You should prefer adding targeted exceptions for a specific program or port. This maintains baseline protection while allowing required traffic. Once done, test your exception in a controlled environment or on a single workstation to verify functionality and confirm no unintended openings were created. Make sure to document exactly what you changed and why, including timestamps and approvals. This streamlines troubleshooting and keeps you compliant. If broader network access is needed, escalate to network admins rather than disabling protection yourself. You finish by verifying both connectivity and security logs to ensure the exception works and no new threats appear. If problems occur, revert immediately using your system restore point or the exported firewall profile. That's why you made those backups. Finally, contact your IT or security team, provide your documentation and test results so they can approve or adjust the change. This approach keeps systems protected while solving the operational need, rather than exposing the host by disabling the firewall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.